That's exciting. We're excited to get this thing to you and get the keys in your hands. So
that would be awesome. Yeah. I almost want to call my son, but he's in San Diego, so he'd probably just run here and steal the car.
He probably would.
Right.
I'm getting our media team wants you to take us a selfie if you could and shoot that over to me to show us how happy you actually are.
Sure, I can do that.
All right, it's a small thing to ask for. We'll hook you up with a car. You can send us a selfie.
Right.
All right, man.
So you want me to send out that number you called me from?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, will do.
All right, I just put. So we have a winner. The phone number right here is to.
You're showing everyone his phone number.
Oh, am I not supposed to do that?
Yeah, we're not supposed to do that.
All right.
So we just finished all of the lives on all of our platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, talking about how we're about to call the winner. And now, guess what? We're about to call the winner of RM9, the 1969 Dodge Charger Sweepstakes. This person right now is sitting out there going about their daily business, obviously in this trying time. Who knows what they're up to? They have no idea that they've won. We are about to call this person and change their lives with this dream muscle car or a huge hunk of cash. And this person is Ronald Geer out of Jackson, Missouri.
So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna call Ronald. Ronald purchased a retro RestoMods t-shirt, similar to the one that Chris is wearing here. That's a sweatshirt.
Same logo.
We are going to act like we are following up on his order, customer service, quality control, and once he answers our questions, we're gonna drop a bomb on him that he is the winner of the 69 Dodge Charger.
Can you imagine if this is about to be you right now?
No, I can't. Are you ready?
This is awesome. Let's call him.
All right, here we go.
It's gonna be good. Hopefully he answers.
On your sale?
Hi, is this Ronald Geer?
Yes, it is.
Hi, Ronald Geer. My name is Mike. I'm calling from RestoMods. I'm doing a customer service quality control call here. I see that you ordered a retro RestoMods t-shirt. Just wanted to see if you got that and how you're feeling about that tee.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it?
So,
Quality
yeah.
Good? Everything is looking good on that t-shirt?
Yeah. I actually have already worn it a couple times.
Very nice.
You're not wearing it right now by chance, are you?
No, not at the moment.
Well, Ronald, the reason I'm calling actually is to let you know that that t-shirt won you a 1969 Dodge Charger.
No way.
Ronald, you are our 9th winner for the RestoMods Car Club Sweepstakes.
Grand prize winner.
Grand prize winner, Ronald.
That is so awesome.
So, can you tell us a little bit about when you entered, what you were feeling? You a Charger guy?
Believe it or not, I have a 1970 Dodge Charger.
Oh,
What?
man! So,
I have been working on it for about 12 years.
really?
And I saw that one, and man, that one's way better than mine.
So does your 70 run?
Actually, I just painted it, and then I got so aggravated at the paint job that I parked it, and it's actually been parked for 3 years.
All right.
Because I was so aggravated.
All right, so in the meantime of you getting that thing ready, we have a 69 Dodge Charger that is ready to run like a bat out of hell for you.
I've seen the video. I can't wait.
All
oh
right.
my gosh.
All
So
right.
hold on, Ronald. My name's Chris, also from RestoMods. What are you up to right now? What are you doing?
Actually, I'm at work.
Okay. Okay.
I work for AT&T, so we're considered essential since we do 911 and all.
Well, thank you for staying out there and getting the job done for us. We appreciate you.
Oh, no problem. No problem. So, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this.
Did you, have you been following along with some of the videos? Have you seen some of our upgrades that we've done to this car?
I've seen some of them. I haven't seen everything, but I watched the video, the link that was on when I registered it, and I've seen it like twice, 2 or 3 times on Facebook, and man, that is a beautiful car.
So what you won here is a fully restored 69 Dodge Charger.
Brand new.
Brand new. I want to say it's barely broken. I think it has like 500 miles at the moment on the speedometer.
Yeah, it's got that many miles because we drove it from San Diego up to Riverside, up to FiTech, where they installed a 6-pack EFI fuel injection system onto this thing.
See, that's what I want to do to my car.
And well, it's already done to your car,
this
my
one
man.
is your
We've
car.
already did it to your car.
I'm sorry, I want to do that to both my cars.
Yeah, there we go. So yeah, on top, that's on top of a 440 Dodge Magnum, and it's got a 4-speed in the floor with a beautiful mahogany steering wheel, a custom handmade mahogany pistol grip shifter, fresh leather seats. I mean, this car is insane, as fresh as it gets, directly off the out of the shop.
Yeah, it's ready to rip, and it comes with a custom fitted cowl car cover on it. So you can keep it nice and covered, and you also get a bucket of our car care essentials with it. So be honest with us though, when you signed up, did you think you had a chance to win this thing?
I felt like I had a chance of that as much as I did winning the lottery.
The odds are a little better than the lottery.
Odds are definitely better, but you sign up thinking like, wow, what could it be? How cool would it be if it happens? And
right.
So, dude,
it can't hurt to try, right?
Very true. I mean, it definitely can't hurt when you're actually the winner.
Got to be in it to win it.
That's amazing, man. So, how are you feeling about driving this thing for the first time? You already have a 70 that's sitting over there. Clearly, you're a Mopar guy.
Yeah, I like everything. I have Chevys, Mustang. I have Fords, Chevys, mostly Chevys, but
Wow.
Dodge. I mean, I have everything. So I'm a car nut. I love them.
That's awesome, man. We couldn't be happier that a real car enthusiast is going to take this thing home. Have you had a chance to look at the 71 Chevelle we're giving away next?
No, actually, I have not.
Oh, you might want to check that one out. That's a little bit more resto modded. It's got an LS1 under the hood with an LSA supercharger, power Cadillac CTS seats.
And yeah, we've given away a few cool ones before as well, but the 9th sweepstakes, and just for us, it took us a while to get to the Charger, and for a lot of people out there, it seems like this is the pinnacle, their dream car. So we're very excited to give you the keys.
Yeah, just trailering my 70 around, I could watch people stop mowing and watch me drive by.
Oh yeah,
yeah.
This thing's a showstopper for sure, and the one we're giving to you is beautiful, black paint job, black interior. It's got a stereo in it. It's got mahogany steering wheel and pistol grip. It's a machine, man. We're very happy with this thing, and we're excited.
It looked beautiful when I saw it. It looked beautiful. Yeah.
So Ronald, how did you get into classic cars in the beginning?
Believe it or not, I'm actually in the middle. I just was working on. I had a week of vacation last week, and I had been working on my '67 MGB GT that my dad bought when I was 6 years old. Wow. And I'm restoring it back because my mom's 70th birthday is this year, and I'm going to give it back to her.
That's so cool.
It's been in our family since I was 6 years old, and I'm almost 50 now, so
it's
been a while.
That's great. So your dad got you into it?
Yeah, my dad got me into working on cars ever since I was. He has pictures of me in diapers under cars, so and I've been doing it ever since. I'm not professionally trained at anything, but on my Charger, I want to get a license plate that says 98% me because I did everything.
That's awesome, man.
That's
awesome. So yeah, this Charger is got all the bells and whistles, but if you want to go crazy with it, it's a platform for whatever you want to do to the thing. It's running and driving perfectly now, but if you want to get under there and wrench it and go nuts.
It sounds perfect the way it is.
Awesome, man.
The way it is.
Awesome.
Yeah, we can't wait to see what you're going to do to this thing. And obviously, the way that things are right now, there's a little bit of maybe some challenges in getting you out here or things like that. So in terms of what happens next, we've got one thing to take care of. You're going to get a call. I'll also give you the information. I'll be sending you an email with the information for our third-party sweepstakes company. You just got to fill out some paperwork with them. He already knows that you're the winner. And you got to fill out some paperwork with them. That company's called Compliant Sweepstakes Services. And once you officially accept the prize, we can start the process of getting this thing to you. What we typically do is fly a winner here to us in San Diego and spend some time with the car and kind of hang out and put you up in a nice hotel and everything. I don't know how feasible that is in today's climate with everything going on with coronavirus. So there's some details there we still need to work out. But step one is completing that paperwork with the sweepstakes company. So again, I'll shoot you over their info, and I'll also give them the green light to go ahead and call you directly. And you'll deal with one guy over there and fill out some pretty easy paperwork, and then we can figure out how to get you this awesome prize.
Awesome, that'd be great. So, yeah, I can't. I wish you guys could see the grin on my face. I'm so freaking happy.
I can only imagine. We were just talking right before we called you. This guy's about to get a call that he won a insane car. How are you supposed to react to that?
Who are you going to tell first?
You know what? My best friend I'm in south of St. Louis right now, but my best friend from Topeka. We work on cars all the time together. He's my first call.
Awesome. Awesome, man.
He's not going to believe me at first. I'm going to have to tell him 100 times. No, really, I really won.
It's for real. It's for real.
Right.
Awesome, man. That's exciting. We're excited to get this thing to you and get the keys in your hands. So.
That would be awesome. Yeah. I almost want to call my son, but he's in San Diego, so he'd probably just run there and steal the car.
He probably would.
Right.
I'm getting our media team wants you to take us a selfie if you could and shoot that over to me to show us how happy you actually are.
Sure, I can do that.
All right. It's a small thing to ask for. We'll hook you up with a car. You can send us a selfie.
Right.
All right, man.
You want me to send out that number you called me?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, will do.
Cool.
So,
all right, well, hey, we're going to go ahead and give our sweepstakes company the green light. I will, like I said, shoot you over all their info. You can reach out to their office. He'll also be reaching out to you. Man, the quicker you finish that paperwork, the quicker we can get you this prize. And we can't wait to meet you in person or however we figure out how to do it. But
yeah, I hope I get to meet you guys in person. That'd be awesome.
Absolutely.
So,
that's what we would love to do. We'd love to have you out here, especially if your son's already out here. That'd be kind of cool. Get you guys both over to the shop and go do some donuts in your new Charger.
There you go.
Awesome.
So that would be awesome. So.
All right.
Thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. You made my day. You made my year.
There we go. Love it, man.
I bet.
All
right, Ronald. Well, congratulations again, and thank you so much for your support. And look forward to talking to you some more in the future.
All right. Thanks.
All right. Have a good one. Bye.
All right. You too. Bye.
Unreal.
That's a car guy right there.
That is a car guy through and through.
Wow.
That is such cool stories he had and everything. It's just like, we've always said this is the coolest part of our jobs, but like especially somebody like that who just lives and breathes this kind of stuff. He has a 70 Charger
that's sitting for 3 years.
Sitting for 3 years. I mean, what's he gonna do with that thing now that he has this thing parked right next to it?
I mean, he's got one to drive and one to work on. That's ideal, right? I feel like the issue a lot of times is you get into it. It's like I'm gonna drive that thing and you start working on it and it sits and sits and sits.
Yeah.
And then once you get it fixed, you drive it and then you want to do something else and you bust it open again. It's a perfect combination,
Yeah, he'll
little
have
bit of
both.
both.
He'll have both, so that'll be awesome. So
Cool.
we'll start the process, and if possible, we'd love to get him out here to pick up his prize here in person. That's always the most fun for us, being able to hand him the keys. So stay tuned to that process. Make sure you follow us on all of our socials: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, MySpace. Do we still have a MySpace, guys?
I don't think.
Yeah?
You got a MySpace? And if your name is not Ronald Geer, the 71 Chevelle LS1 LSA supercharged is RM10, and you could win this insane Chevelle or $50,000 supercharged, 538 horsepower.
A lot of fun. If you are already a member, don't forget, you get entries every month into the active sweepstakes, and the end of one sweepstakes for us means the start of the next one. So this one's already launched. Members are already getting entries for this one. You'll be automatically entered, 10 entries every month that you're a member. If you aren't a member or you aren't entered, head over to RestoMods.com, pick up a sweatshirt, pick up a hat, pick up a t-shirt. Our next phone call could be to you.
Denim jackets are not in the store.
Denim jackets, we should get some nice denim
These are
jackets
nice
in the
denim
store.
jackets.
That'd be good. Are we rolling the outro or what are we doing?